Hi guys, this will be a tutorial on how to reduce heavy scarring on your face. Yes, that's right, you only need 2 ingredients. You will need 2 heaped teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of milk. When you mix it, it becomes the consistency of yogurt. However, when the air gets to it, it changes and becomes quite foamy. Begin with a clean face. Here you can see all my marks and scars. This side of my face is so much clearer, and this is because for the last month I've been using this side of my face to practice this method. Using cotton wool or your hands, apply a layer onto any scarred area of your face. You then apply a second layer. I am also putting it on any areas that I get blackheads. And now we wait for it to dry. You know it's dry when your face was really stiff and it begins to crumble. It's then time to wash it off. Your face will immediately look so much clearer because this removes all blackheads. You're going to need to do this once a week to see an improvement on your scars. I have quite oily skin, so I use organic apple cider vinegar to return my skin to its natural pH level. If you have dry skin, I advise you use coconut oil or shea butter, as these take your skin to a whole new level of softness. Let me know what you think.